Okay, pull the truck up closer. Careful with that spray gear. This whole section needs scaffolding first. The railing up here is completely unstable. We're seeing significant corrosion on the roof. The structural integrity is compromised in multiple sections according to the moisture readings. Heads up! Coming down! Load it up! Level 2 secure, sending up the next poles. Roger that. Measurement check on the east side, 40 feet. Lower level, move right. Copy that, moving right. Watch the sparks up here. More pink on level 3. Coming up now, how's the gold trim looking down there? Looking good, keep it steady. Glass panel secure. Start painting white and gold. Carrying plants up the stairs now. Watch out below. Install the curtain rods on level 3. Here, try this one next. All right, that should work. That's the last piece. Perfect. Nicely done, gentlemen. Okay, pull it. Pull it hard. It's heavy. Watch the sparks. Almost there. Keep moving. Look at that. Perfect. The chandeliers really make the floor pop. Incredible design. base slightly to the left. Yep. Okay, hold it steady. Now lower the frame slowly. Does it fit? Yeah, push it down. We need those posts set by noon.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, drilling them now.